Staying up to date with rapidly changing e-invoicing mandates can feel like an impossible task. By 2030, e-invoicing is set to revolutionize the B2G and B2B sectors, transforming how companies operate. Comarch is here to update you on the latest news in e-invoicing regulation. Let's hear from our experts so you can remain legally compliant.
Welcome to our first episode of E-Invoicing Updates with Comarch.
Today we're going to be exploring the latest e-invoicing news from France, Germany, and the United Arab Emirates. Now let's explore what's going on across the pond.
The mandate in France begins in September 2026. This means all large and medium businesses must issue electronic invoices and use a certified service provider. What does it mean for your business operations? You will no longer be permitted to send paper or PDF invoices. The French government will verify any invoice before sending it to the end recipient. Comarch's platform connects you, your partners, and the French tax administration.
Looking east to Germany, the first phase of the mandate has just begun. From January 2025, all businesses must be able to receive structured invoices that comply with the European Committee for Standardization. Next, starting January 2027, it will be mandatory to issue invoices if your revenue exceeds 800,000 euros. The challenge for many companies that do business in Germany is the number of formats your ERP must be able to process. Comarch can provide complete coverage of all required formats, allowing you to stay focused on business operations without interruptions.
Heading over to the Middle East, let's observe what's happening in the United Arab Emirates. The most recent news confirms that the new mandates will take effect in 2026. The Ministry of Finance is still working on the final version of the e-invoicing legislation, which will clarify the final design of the system. Comarch is actively participating in talks shaping the future of VAE invoicing mandates.
These aren't the only countries that are preparing for significant regulatory changes. Now is the time for global businesses to partner with a reliable service provider and establish a foolproof strategy to ensure you're ahead of the curve for 2026 and beyond.
The global e-invoicing landscape is complex and constantly evolving. Let Comarch handle compliance so you can focus on business operations and take full advantage of e-invoicing digital transformation.